Proper pipe insulation is crucial in preventing freezing and the subsequent damage it can inflict on your plumbing system. When pipes freeze, the water inside expands, leading to potential bursts and leaks that can result in costly repairs and water damage. Insulating your pipes helps retain heat and prevent them from reaching freezing temperatures. This simple yet effective measure can save you from the hassle and expense of dealing with frozen or burst pipes. By understanding the importance of pipe insulation, you can safeguard your plumbing system and avoid the inconvenience of dealing with frozen pipes. To effectively insulate your pipes, you will need a few essential materials and tools. Insulation sleeves are a key component, providing a protective layer to prevent heat loss and freezing. Heat tape, also known as heating cable, can be used to wrap around the pipes and provide supplemental heat in extremely cold conditions. Additionally, adhesive is necessary for securing the insulation in place and ensuring a snug fit. By gathering these materials, you can proceed with the DIY pipe insulation process and protect your plumbing system from the risks associated with freezing temperatures. Before proceeding with the insulation process, it is vital to prepare the pipes adequately. This involves thorough cleaning of the pipe surfaces to ensure proper adhesion of the insulation materials. Additionally, it is essential to inspect the pipes for any existing leaks or damage that could compromise the insulation's effectiveness. Identifying and addressing any issues at this stage will contribute to a seamless and effective pipe insulation application. By taking the time to prep the pipes correctly, you can enhance the overall durability and performance of the insulation, safeguarding your plumbing system from potential issues. The application of insulation to the pipes is a critical step in the process. We will demonstrate the proper techniques for securing the insulation in place to ensure maximum effectiveness. This includes wrapping the insulation sleeves securely around the pipes and using adhesive to create a tight seal. Additionally, we will address the importance of sealing any gaps or openings to prevent heat loss and maintain the insulation's integrity. By following these demonstrated procedures, you can effectively insulate your pipes and minimize the risk of freezing, enhancing the overall efficiency and functionality of your plumbing system. Proper pipe insulation offers a range of significant benefits for homeowners. By effectively insulating your pipes, you can enhance energy efficiency within your home, as insulated pipes require less heat to maintain optimal temperatures. This results in notable cost savings on energy bills. Furthermore, preventing water damage due to frozen pipes is a key advantage, as insulation helps to mitigate the risk of burst pipes and subsequent water-related issues. By highlighting these benefits, we aim to underscore the importance of prioritizing proper pipe insulation for the longevity and functionality of your plumbing system.